Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Cookie Time with Daniela. It's New Year Day. I'll be showing you guys what we are eating. So this is goat meat. We don't really having to prepare too much today because some things we cook on Christmas Day we still have some, and what we'll be cooking since we still have some. So we are doing this fry. We're just going to do this boil this goat meat, and then we fried it for fried rice, goat meat fried rice. Yeah, so this is the amount I will be using today. I will be putting the onions and this pepper, bay leaf, curry, and thyme. Seasoning and salt. I will put water, just put water later. I'll just wait for it to little bit. I will be using to cook fried rice. Is this cup 6 cup of it, I mean. So I take 1 teaspoon like this on the curry, and then I use this seasoning. Is a 1 whole pack. I use half of it for it, just to get the color of the fried rice. Then I will boil the rice for few minutes. This is how the goat meat look like. I never put any water. The water that come up with it, because I will be needing the water to cook the fried rice. I will just add water. I need it to cook the fried rice. So we'll wait for it to done. Goat meat usually take longer time, unless if you are cooking it with pressure cook. Yeah, so that is the fried rice over there. So this is how the color look like when I boil it with those things I use. Yeah, I will just only wash it. I will just only wash it for 2 times. Yeah, I'll wash it for 2 times, then I will take it out from here. The water I used to boil the goat meat, I will just remove the things I used to boil it inside. This ones, not too shake, so some of them will not go inside. Yeah. The water I used to boil the goat meat, I will just remove the things I used to boil it inside. This ones, not too shake, so some of them will not go inside. Yeah. This is the water I used to cook the goat meat. So I will just add the rice I parboiled inside. As I put the rice inside the water, see where the water reach. So it will not be enough for the rice to done. So I add little water to it, and I don't want the rice to be so done. It's good you test it like this, because after here you can't add no seasoning to the food. So you just check it here to see if the taste you want, if it's already there. You are free to add salt or add whatever you feel like adding to yours. So mine is okay, so I will be covering it for the rice to cook. I don't fry the goat meat. It's time to start frying the rice. I'll take each time I fry, I will be using a spoon of vegetable oil to fry it. I won't wait for the oil to hot, because if you wait for the oil to hot, the rice will start jumping. So I will just fetch the rice from here and then put it in the oil. Just like this, you continue until they got fried as you like. When the fried rice, you don't fry and fried, it will be like this. You will see the shining, not too oily. You can see there is no oil in the pot. There is no oil in the pot. So just, yeah, like I'm done frying it. I will be showing you how I fry the remaining things I am frying. So this is how I fry the mine. It's done now. You don't have to wait for a long time for it to really fry. 3 to 5 minutes is enough to fry this one if your oil already hot. I still need the oil to fry something else. So that's why I put it this way. Okay, so before I put this spoon inside the oil, I sprinkle a little bit salt. The same thing with the veggies I fried also. I sprinkle salt on them before frying. So you just wait a little bit when the thing done. You don't have to really necessary to be fried, just done. Then you will take them out of the oil. See, I have turned the veggies inside the fried rice because I fried them separate. So I will just mix them like this together. Keep mixing until they are all mixed together. Yeah, this is the end of the fried rice. See how beautiful the fried rice are. This is the goat meat, and this is the pepper soup we earlier do. We do both of them, but the pepper soup is on a separate video, and then this one is a separate video. Thank you and a happy new year. Remember, we are still on a new year. We're still a new year here, and God will bless us this year, all of us, as we all agree together to support each other. Thank you and see you next week.